Hi, welcome in Germany. Today I've got a meeting with Benton from Technotrans, and I'm curious to learn more about all the latest trends in the industry. So let's follow me. Hey Peter, how are you?
I'm very well.
Yeah.
Lovely to see you again,
Right.
Peter. Yeah, welcome to Technotrans. Thanks for coming.
I think we've been working with Technotrans for over 30 years, but we don't have the opportunity that much to come over and have a closer look. So can you tell a little bit more about Technotrans?
Yeah, sure, Peter. So much has changed over the 30 years that we've been working with Komori. So here we are now. We are one of 17 companies in our group. We have 1,600 employees worldwide. The print industry is still 35% of our total business, and we have diversified into many different markets as well. And our core business with Komori is making dampening and water control systems for the presses.
So for our latest project in the showroom, we are working on a new installation specifically for the packaging market. I'm also quite curious to learn today if there are any innovations and solutions that we need to take into account of. So can you show us a little bit more about this?
Absolutely, Peter. Today we're going to show you the actual product that's going to be delivered to your showroom, and it has some quite novel features in it specifically for your packaging press and for the customers who are going to benefit from this technology of our combined package.
Shall we have a look?
Yeah, please come with me.
All right. So Peter, can you explain the assembly process of your product?
Yeah, sure. Basically, it's a mix of either purchased product like our electrical cabinets, or here we can see our refrigeration units, which we actually produce in-house so that we can maintain quality and also just-in-time production.
But this is not the entire unit yet, so what happened next?
Oh no, this is obviously only a component of the complete assembly, Peter. So let me take you now to see the next phase where all these sub-assemblies will come together and be produced into one complete unit.
Shall we have a look?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Okay, Peter, so here we are in our production area.
Yeah.
This is the place where we bring everything together, all the sub-assemblies that you've seen. They're all delivered to one bay, as you can see, and our technician will assemble all these components into one complete unit. We do this so that each individual can build a complete unit to ensure our product quality, to give variance to our employees in terms of what they will build and their job.
So basically they will build the entire unit over here. So what's the next phase?
Yep, everything's completed here, Peter. We then ship it down to our test bay. And as you know, product quality is high importance to us. So every feature will then be tested and packed.
Can we have a look?
Of course, yeah, let's go.
Okay.
So Peter, here we are in our test area. This is the culmination of everything that we've shown you with our production elsewhere in the building. And here is actually your unit for the showroom.
This is ours.
This is yours, not packed yet, I'm sorry for that, for your new GLX 740 double coater machine. So we're just finishing the testing. We're going to pack it for you and we will deliver it and install it very soon.
In this area, you'll make sure that the unit is 100% tested. It's like an entire simulation. Is that how I should see this? It's a simulation?
Absolutely. We use a computer to simulate every single action or control feature that our unit should fulfill during its operation at the end customer. The computer takes care of the fact that there can be no human input to override any faults or any issues. All the performance and capacities are checked to make sure that we provide you a 100% reliable product built to a very high quality, consistently, time after time after time.
So now I know that our showroom is pretty much based also prepared for water cooling. So this also means that this unit is actually different to compare to other units.
Yeah, this is quite unique compared with most of our standard units because, as you say, in your showroom, to control the environment, you are utilizing water cooling, and that will significantly reduce the hot air into your showroom and make the printing process far more efficient and improve the quality.
Is that also a lot of energy saving when you compare to this, or is that similar?
Absolutely, because the hot air is exhausted outside of the building, everything will run more efficiently, we will use less energy, and we will create less waste heat in the factory, which will also help with your humidification plant to work less and generally improve the performance of all the connected equipment.
So basically with this piece of equipment, we can get the best quality, the best performance of our showroom kit.
Yep, and it will also help with the customer who eventually buys this machine because it will result in less maintenance and downtime related to that.
So for our packaging users, we've got a lot of UV printers out there. So is there anything special on this unit that will benefit from this printing technology?
Yeah, we have a special feature on this unit, Peter. We have independent ink fountain roller cooling for you. So this makes sure that the ink temperature rollers or the ink fountain rollers are maintained at an optimum temperature, so that the ink flow from the ink fountain through to the inking rollers is absolutely perfect.
So well, if I look towards the cabinets of the komori press, from my perspective, it hasn't looked like it has been changed a lot.
Oh, thanks for that, Peter. Yeah, if only you knew. We are constantly developing the internals of our cabinet to meet with new environmental standards and legislation, especially in the area of refrigerant gas.
Yeah.
Some people may have heard of global warming potential. So factually, whilst the outside is the same, there are significant development changes continually taking place under our covers. But for you, we just like to make it simple and deliver a final finished product.
So Peter, obviously top performance, as little downtime as possible is essential for our customers. We've seen the testing facility. How about service and parts?
Well, here we are, Peter, in our parts department. It is parts for both production and service support. But from here we can distribute parts for same day, next day delivery to our customers. And we coordinate our service support either with your distributors or with Komori International or a Technotrans technician. And we try to find the most efficient way to correct issues in the field with the minimum downtime and fuss and cost to our customers.
Oh, so quick response guaranteed.
Absolutely, we do our very best.
Thanks.
So here we are, Peter, your bespoke B2C, all ready for your new GLX 740 double coater machine in your Utrecht showroom. All it needs now is to be packed and it will meet you in Utrecht.
Nice. I see that's fully in the komori colors, so it'll seamlessly fit the showroom equipment. Well, should have been a bigger car then.
Next time.
Okay.
So Peter, thank you for visiting Technotrans today.
Thank you for
I
having
hope you
us.
found the tour very interesting and I look forward to seeing you again soon.
Yeah, I think it just underlines the amazing collaboration that we have, and personally I cannot wait to see the unit arriving in the showroom.
Brilliant, can't
Thanks
wait.
a lot.
Take
Right.
care.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.
So I think we had an excellent visit here at Technotrans in Germany, and for the next edition I will meet you in the UK.
Komori. Count on us.